This is our HT-276 end conduit power feed. This power feed is used when you are going to mount your track on the surface and run conduit to the end of the track. This power feed has a junction box and a 1/2 inch knockout to allow surface mounted conduit to connect directly to your connector and the connector directly to your track. The HT-276 power connector with the top of the connector open, showing the wiring compartment. Inside the wiring compartment you have a screw for both the neutral, the hot, and the ground wires to terminate, as well as a small junction box to bring the wires in from the conduit.